I ruined a $50 batch of custom shirts for a client because my cheap, entry-level heat press had wild temperature swings. The vinyl peeled off instantly, and I learned the hard way that picking the wrong t-shirt press will destroy your materials and your reputation. Finding the right machine is overwhelming with all the conflicting specs and useless attachments on the market. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 t-shirt heat presses I've rigorously tested in my shop, showing you exactly which one dominates, and which ones might just burn your business to the ground. Let's dive in. 5. Slendor 5-in-1 heat press machine. When I first brought the Slendor into my workspace, I was genuinely intrigued by the promise of ultimate versatility. The idea of seamlessly transitioning from pressing t-shirts to mugs, hats, and plates all with one relatively affordable machine is an incredibly attractive proposition for anyone just starting their custom apparel journey. Out of the box, the machine has a standard industrial look, and the included attachments make you feel like you have a full merchandise factory sitting on your desk. I immediately set it up to run a batch of simple cotton t-shirts, eager to see if the main 12 by 15-inch platen could deliver professional results. Unfortunately, my testing quickly revealed some glaring inconsistencies that are hard to overlook if you're running a serious operation. While pressing my first few shirts, I noticed that the digital control box, which is supposed to manage both temperature and time, displayed a temperature that didn't match the actual heat of the platen. I used a laser thermometer to double-check, and the corners were significantly cooler than the center. This resulted in a few frustrating misprints where the heat transfer vinyl adhered perfectly in the middle, but started lifting at the edges almost immediately after the peel. If you're doing full-size chest graphics, this uneven heat distribution is a massive headache that requires constant monitoring and rotating of your garments. The 5-in-1 modular system also proved to be far more cumbersome than the marketing materials suggest. Switching between the t-shirt platen and the mug or hat press requires completely unbolting the heating elements and wrestling with the wiring harnesses. It is not a quick swap situation by any stretch of the imagination. 4. Vevor 8-in-1 hybrid heat press. When this heavy, bulky unit arrived, the sheer volume of attachments was staggering. You get elements for shirts, multiple sizes of mugs, hats, plates, and even pins. As someone who appreciates having options, I dedicated an entire weekend to putting every single function of this monolithic machine through its paces. The main 15 by 15-inch platen offers a much better surface area than the Slendor, allowing for adult-sized shirts and larger intricate graphics without hanging off the edges. However, the assembly process and the overall build tolerances left a lot to be desired right out of the gate. The instruction manual is notoriously confusing, consisting of poorly translated diagrams that offer very little real guidance. When I finally got the swing-away mechanism assembled and operational, I noticed an unsettling wobble in the main support column. Every time I swung the heavy upper platen away to arrange a shirt, the entire machine felt like it was going to tip over unless it was permanently bolted down to a very sturdy workbench. For a machine that requires a lot of lateral movement, this lack of stability is a significant design flaw that slows down your workflow as you have to operate it with overly cautious, gentle movements. During the heat testing phase, the Vevor definitely performed better than our number 5 spot, but it still fell short of professional standards. The Teflon-coated heating plate heated up relatively fast, but once again, the digital thermostat proved to be a suggestion rather than a rule. I experienced temperature fluctuations of about 10 to 15 degrees during extended pressing sessions. When you are working with sensitive sublimation transfers that require exact temperatures to achieve vibrant, permanent colors, a 15-degree drop can result in dull, faded images. 3. Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15. Stepping away from the overly complicated multifunction machines, the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press 15 by 15 brings us back to the beautiful simplicity of a dedicated clamshell design. Right out of the box, this machine commands respect. It has a rugged, industrial weight to it that instantly makes you feel like you're working with professional-grade equipment. There are no confusing attachments to bolt on, no wobbly swing-away arms to manage, and no convoluted setup process. You simply unbox it, plug it in, and let the massive 15 by 15-inch heating element get to work. My testing experience with the Fancierstudio was a massive breath of fresh air compared to the previous models. The upward opening clamshell design saves a tremendous amount of space in the shop since you don't need lateral clearance. More importantly, the heat consistency on this unit is rock solid. I ran a continuous batch of 50 heavy-duty cotton hoodies, applying thick puff vinyl that demands exact sustained heat. The Fancierstudio didn't flinch. The electronic time and heat control box maintained the set temperature flawlessly from the first hoodie to the last, and the thick silicone pad on the lower platen provided excellent, even counter-pressure to ensure the vinyl adhered perfectly across seams and pockets. One of the standout aspects of this machine is the pressure adjustment system. The pressure knob located on top of the heating platen is incredibly responsive and allows for micro-adjustments depending on the thickness of your blank. Whether I was pressing a whisper-thin polyester athletic shirt or a bulky canvas tote bag, I could dial in the exact lockdown pressure needed without straining my shoulders. 2. WHUBEFY 5-in-1 Multifunction Heat Press. After my frustrating experiences with cheaper combo machines, I was highly skeptical of the WHUBEFY, but it only took one afternoon of testing to completely change my mind. This machine takes the versatile 5-in-1 concept and applies a much-needed layer of high-quality engineering and thoughtful design. The swing-away arm on this model is an absolute dream, gliding effortlessly and supported by a robust base that completely eliminates the terrifying tipping hazard I experience with other multifunction units. The heat transfer performance on the main t-shirt platen is nothing short of exceptional. The WHUBEFY utilizes advanced dual-tube heating technology, which is a massive upgrade over the single heating wires found in lower-tier models. During my thermal imaging tests, the temperature difference between the dead center and the extreme corners of the platen was negligible, hovering around a mere 3-degree variance. This means you can confidently press massive, edge-to-edge sublimation designs or intricate, full-bleed vinyl graphics without ever worrying about a corner failing to adhere. The heat is deep, penetrating, and aggressively consistent. Swapping out the attachments on the WHUBEFY is surprisingly painless compared to its competitors. The slideway design allows you to unclip and replace the main platen with a mug or hat press in a matter of minutes without needing a dedicated toolkit. The hat press, in particular, was a joy to use. It provided a perfect curvature that gripped standard trucker hats and dad caps tightly, delivering a flawless, wrinkle-free press on structured front panels. The digital control box is brightly backlit, highly responsive, and actually counts down accurately, which is a small but vital detail when you are multitasking in a busy shop. 1. HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine for T-shirts 15 by 15. When I unboxed this machine, it didn't even look like a traditional heat press. With its sleek, modern aesthetic and enclosed white casing, it looks more like a high-end appliance from the future. But don't let the stylish exterior fool you. This machine is a technological powerhouse that completely eliminates the physical strain and guesswork associated with traditional manual presses. The standout feature, and the reason it effortlessly secures the top spot, is its fully automatic pressing mechanism. With every other machine on this list, you have to physically pull down a handle and manually lock it into place, constantly twisting knobs to adjust for the thickness of different materials. The HTVRONT completely automates this. You simply slide your project in on the smooth drawer system, press a single button, and the machine automatically lowers itself, senses the thickness of the material, and applies the exact, perfect amount of pressure. Testing this feature with a thin silk blend shirt followed immediately by a thick, heavy-duty winter sweatshirt without making a single manual adjustment was a mind-blowing experience that drastically speeds up workflow. The heating efficiency is equally unmatched. It utilizes a rapid, dual-zone heating engine that brings the massive 15 by 15-inch plate up to working temperature in a fraction of the time it takes traditional machines. During continuous heavy testing, it maintained a flawless, uniform heat across every square inch of the platen. The slide-out drawer design is also a massive safety upgrade. Because the lower platen pulls completely out and away from the heating element, you have total, unobstructed access to arrange your garments and graphics without ever risking a burn to your knuckles. Ultra. That's all for today.